Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to Ileum TV, and you know this is the #1 station where you watch and learn. And today we are discussing biology form 1. Our topic is nutrition. Our subtopic is digestion in the ileum. Our subtopic is digestion in the ileum, and this is lesson 33. This is lesson 33. I'm your tutor, Madam Sandra Awino, and stay tuned. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to, number 1, describe digestion in the ileum. Describe digestion in the ileum. And number 2, state the components of the intestinal juice and their function. State the components of the intestinal juice and their function. From our diagram, you can see the ileum. From our diagram, first you can see the stomach. From the stomach, the food enters the duodenum. From the duodenum, the food enters where? The ileum. This coiled thing is the ileum. The coiling is the ileum. And finally, you can see the ascending colon. So when the food gets out of the duodenum, it enters the ileum. And so we are going to discuss digestion in the ileum. In the ileum, we have intestinal juice. So when the food enters the ileum, intestinal juice is released. And the intestinal juice contains the following components. One is the maltase. The maltase digests maltose to glucose. We have peptidase. Our peptidase digests what? Peptides to amino acid. And then we have sucrase. Sucrase digests sucrose to glucose and fructose. And we have lipase. Lipase digests lipids into fatty acid and glycerol. In summary, you can see the summary of digestion. We have carbohydrates. Carbohydrates first is digested in the mouth by the salivary amylase to form maltose. So in the stomach, we have digestion of protein. You can see the stomach, we digest protein. There's no digestion of starch in the stomach, only protein. Digestion is done by the pepsin to form peptides. So in the small intestine, we have maltose digested to form what? Maltose digested to form glucose. In the presence of amylase, we have peptides digested to form amino acid. And then in the small intestine, disaccharides are converted to monosaccharides. That is maltose to glucose. Peptides are converted to form the amino acid. So we've come to the end of our lesson. And I will require you to do the following assignment. Assignment number 1, state the pH under which the enzymes in the ileum work. And number 2, state the components of the intestinal juice and their function. For reference, you can go to KLB Secondary Biology Student Book 1. You can go to Secondary Biology Student Book 1, 5th edition. For this and more, you can contact us on our SMS number is 0723 144 259. On YouTube, you can get us on Ileum TV. On Facebook, you can get us on Ileum TV. And at Twitter, you can get us at Ileum TV _Kenya.